Bitcoin reached 81,500 this morning. What was the reason of this drop? Let's also analyze Ethereum and Solana and Ripple as we do. First, about BTC, you can see price took this low, and what can be the next? Remind to you that with our community, we discussed it on Friday, because on Friday there was a Trump meeting where I shared with my community that my ideal plan, it is a bull trap, because Bitcoin actually is in downtrend. Honestly, I hoped that there would be rise to 90 to 500 or even to 95 where we could take short. Why I was about short? Because when you open Bitcoin, especially on a bigger time frame, let me show it to you. You can see that price broke down this major higher range. And at this moment, BTC is below this really important range. You can see that here, this important range, and price rejected from this range high 2 times. That means it's actually started a downside. And next key support for us, it is a previous value area high of this entire range. What about VWAP from this bottom? Price already at this moment dancing around VWAP from that swing low. Price already bounced. That's the reason why better to take short at high offer range. You just you need to remember a golden rule when you take trades at range high. When you take short, your possibility to make money always will be bigger. That's why what we can do the next. Let me show to you what I shared with our community. I still actually still think the chances to take this key level 68.70 is huge, because there is no other reason why we wouldn't take it. There was really massive volume traded at high. During the best news ever, BTC simply were in this range. That means actually like this level 68.70 is coming until we prove otherwise. But how we can take a trade? Good entry, as I shared with you, good entry, of course, would be only at range high. Like the greatest entry still, if somehow BTC would retest 90 to 500 or even 95. Those places, it is the best place where you can take short, because in that case, your risk to reward ratio would be small, because when you just need to understand, if you take short right now, what's the problem? Your stop loss must be something like this. It means at this moment, your risk to reward ratio would be 0.73. If you take short, for example, here, if you take short here, even at this level, with such stop loss, your risk to reward ratio to the same key area, 1 to 6. That's what you're looking for in trading. It is disproportional places where you can make money. That's why, once more, at this moment, with my team, we wait for such range on BTC. You can see such beautiful range. If such range would be appeared, we would take short. Nearly the same happened on Solana. I will show to you within a few minutes. That's why, once more, save this picture. Or price create a range for several days here, 2, 3, better 5 days. We take short, or price reach value area high. What about potential long ideas? Honestly, it's possible to take long trades. It's possible, but when you take long trades, you need to remember one thing. Those trades would be against a trend. And in that case, better to take only good trades. Example for you, in what case you can really take trade against a trend. Let me show to you my trade that I took on previous week on Ethereum. Have a look here. First try get stop loss, but second try I made my beautiful risk to reward ratio. Here I made nearly 1 to 5 risk to reward. You can see it was actually a trade against a trend, but pay attention what happened. Price took all swing lows. There was significant volume spike on a spot, significant spot delta, and potential risk to reward ratio even to VWAP was 1 to 7 or 1 to 6. That's example for you in what cases it's possible to take a trade. The same, let's come back to BTC. Imagine situation, BTC takes this swing low and there appears massive volume, like massive volume absorption. Yes, in that case, it's possible, but your goal must be not so big, like first deviation or VWAP, get out, or better to get out by parts. Only really good place where we should consider some significant long, it is here around 70K, because it is really fundamental area. Remember that on daily basis, I share trading plans and secrets with my team where to take trades. Even this plan on BTC, I shared clearly on Friday. Also, I shared other plans on, you can see on this on daily basis. All our plans where we can take trades, make money together. The same was with repo. I shared with our team that there would be big drop. Also, I shared the plan, you can see repo to take short. Also, a key area on Solana 152, price exactly took it, and after the drop into this key zone. I will show to you within a few seconds. What you do below this video, there would be first link, fill the form, join our community, and let's make money together. Let's go to Ethereum. What's going on with Ethereum? On Ethereum, as always, we always must start from a bigger picture, from a bigger time frame. On Ethereum, we have significant, powerful downtrend. You can see, let's do this daily. You can see, based on this anchored VWAP, we are far, far below this really powerful downtrend. Price even didn't try to come back into first deviation. As you can see, nearly every time when they came back into first deviation, they started significant range. Also, price took all of these fundamental areas, and if you build anchored VWAP from this bottom, it is exactly at VWAP, and that's really significant fundamental area. There must be a clear structure change to become bullish, because you can see that every high is lower. It's clear, powerful downtrend. At least there must be one higher high, like this one, and that would be a signal that Ethereum would come back into a range market, or even there could be a structure change and start of a rise. That's why what we can do at this moment with Ethereum. Honestly, here was my plan within our community. I would like to show it to you. It was exactly this plan. I honestly planned, I took long here, which got stop loss. And honestly, I hoped that price during Trump meeting, there would be some hype and they would create bull trap. And at this first deviation plus value area high, we would take short, because still better to take short at swing high or value area high. At this moment, you can see that price of Ethereum is really below. Price of Ethereum at this moment really far below. And at this moment, it's difficult to take really good trade on Ethereum. That's why at this moment, I would be way happier to take short in the case of reaching this local high, 2,320. Here it is swing high. And we have another place where it would be possible to take short. It is at this first deviation. At one of these areas, honestly, it is the best places to consider short because price previous time bounced from those deviation really a lot. What about potential long? Again, long is possible. My teammate took long here at this second deviation of VWAP, plus it was below value area low. But remember, when you take trades as long, it is against the trend. And those trades must be only at fundamental areas. That's why long would be possible only in a case of retest this 2000 area, because it would be far below value area low. And if there would be no breakout, potential risk to reward ratio would be really good. If you would take long here, what should be your potential stop loss and take profit? Like your stop loss and your potential target 1 to 4 before VWAP. That would be completely enough. Yes, in some cases, there could be a chance that price could take, for example, this swing high. But if you would take a trade, better to close by parts. If price deliver you good entry, take at least part of position out to be out of risk, because it is trade against a trend. And here, get out completely because there's still a chance that price of Ethereum could create simply a range. What would be a clear signal that trend is over and Ethereum would become really bullish? As soon as Ethereum would flip this key level and start ranging here. For us, it would be finally a signal that structure broken, and there could be some start of upcycle. Let's go to Solana and Repo. Also, a few words. Support me with your like, my friends, at this moment, and subscriptions. That's really matter for us. And follow me on Telegram. Link will be in description. About Solana, I shared this plan within our community. Let me show to you Solana. I shared exactly this plan. Key zone for short 152 because Solana weak. There was massive volume at high. Plus, it was local value area high with VWAP deviation. You can see that Solana, honestly, Solana dropped way better than I expected. From that key area, Solana dropped 16%. At this moment, Solana, I still think Solana is weak because on Solana, there was massive volume traded exactly here at high. And there's still no massive volume at low. In normal cases, trend reverse when price creates such range, or there's significant volume spike. On Solana, we have none of this. That means downtrend go on. In that case, better to take short after some significant pullback, stop loss hunts, etc. That's why on Solana, my plan on Solana at this moment, if Solana would retest one of these key areas, it is 152, it is a local value area high, or price would create a range below value area low of this range. It is approximately 135, where would be possible to take short. Follow the trend until you have a clear signal the trend is over. And also let's do Repo. For Repo also I shared this plan. You can see here within our community. Also on Friday I shared this plan that I expect bull trap. Why? Because when you open bigger time frame on Repo, especially bigger time frame, you can see that all of this news with ETF, with crypto reserve happened after this massive rise. Plus, pay attention where biggest volume were traded. Biggest volume on Ripple were traded after massive rise, which is not good. It's a signal of massive distribution. You can see this one. Massive volume at high, only one big volume at bottom. That's why if Ripple lose this range, it would be start of this downtrend with there would be a lot of space to drop. That's why I think there's a lot of space on Ripple to drop. That's a reason why after every range significant pullback, you should look for short. What's my idea at this moment for Ripple that I shared within our community? Let me show it to you. Plan for Ripple is this one. In a case of creating local range, it would be possible, better to do it here. Like on Ripple, at this moment, we have this local value, which potentially could become a good resistance. That's why we look for this, because it also would be below first deviation since this swing high. And if both of them, local value area low plus deviation, would become good resistance, it would be possible to take short with a target taking this low or even this one. Honestly, this one is better. That's why at this moment, wait for consolidation, because it's too late to take short when price already did 27% drop. Without a range, it's difficult to take really good trade. My friend, we did really good update for you. At this moment, what I ask you to push like, join our community, because such plans we share on daily basis, and watch this video lesson about my strategy, my approach, about how I use volume profile, and how it also will help you to take really good trades and make money. Have a good time.